watching News Edge with me, Priyamada Tyagi. Well, the era of AI elections is here. Ever since the launch of ChatGPT in 2022, artificial intelligence has almost become a buzzword. And now, as AI grows more sophisticated and widespread, the alarms against its potential dangers ring louder. After ChatGPT became an overnight sensation over the past 2 years, it brought several concerns to the limelight. Well, be it AI-powered job automation or deepfakes. As the election season approaches, it has opened up a Pandora's box of threats relating to disinformation and election interference. As political parties vie for the top position, artificial intelligence has also become central to their campaigning mechanism. Political mudsling is not new to elections, but with AI, it has reached a whole new dimension, making it difficult to tell the fake apart from the real. Last year, Argentina's elections set off alarms by becoming perhaps the first AI elections. Two of the main candidates created doctorated images of each other. In a photo posted on social media X, it was depicted that Massa as a Chinese communist leader. In turn, the opponent made a deepfake video of the opponent portraying him as a character from the movie Clockwork Orange. Meanwhile, in the United States, as the presidential race began to heat up last year, the Republicans released an AI-generated video. It painted a picture of what a second term under current President Joe Biden would look like. The video hinted at possibilities like America's financial system collapsing and migrants illegally entering America. Earlier this year, ahead of the new hemisphere primaries in the US, an AI-generated robocall was circulated. It mimicked the voice of Biden and encouraged people not to vote in the elections. And most recently, in February, a report showed how artificial intelligence was a game changer in Indonesia's elections. Billboards across Indonesia carried pictures of an AI-generated cartoon. Meanwhile, in India, citizens began voting in the general election last month. Ahead of the polls, authorities have been cautious about the use of artificial intelligence. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued multiple advisories. It has cautioned social media platforms against the distribution of fake or illegal content. The ministry has also required the labeling of AI-generated content to amplify transparency. Aimed at a growing threat, the US, Europe, and other parts of the world are rushing to codify AI laws. In March, the European Union Parliament approved the world's first comprehensive AI rules. It aims to regulate artificial intelligence based on its capacity to harm society. Under the rules, high-risk AI systems, those that risk affecting a country's democracy or its elections, will be brought under strict regulations. As the world braces for its first AI elections, it is likely to shape future campaigning process and political rivalries. In the coming years, AI can potentially change how elections work. It can be used to automate several cumbersome process, but on the flip side, its misuse will still be a big threat. As we stand at the early stages of AI's capabilities, a paradigm shift is perhaps imminent. Well, so let's be cautious and not fall in the trap of AI. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.